Hello world, and welcome back. I was browsing Reddit the other day, and I saw a post that caught my eye. Someone was asking for a shortcut that can give a motivational quote for the day. Um, I saw this as an opportunity to hone some of my skills. So, let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to search URL. There we go. I'm going to pass in this website. What this website does is it's a JSON, and every time that you refresh it, it will give a random quote. So it has a quote, which is the quote itself, an author, William Blackstone, and a cat. It's not like one of those meow kinds, it's a category. So this is about being alone, apparently. So, now that we have that JSON, what we want to do is get the content. This will be able to read this JSON. So let's get the content of the URL. And next what we're going to do is, since JSONs are stored as a dictionary, they have a key and then the result of that key, we are going to get a dictionary value. There we go. So in this one, it is quote, Q-U-O-T-E, and then we're going to test that. And that looks like a quote to me. So we are going to speak the text. There we go. I'm just going to have it be the default voice. Next thing that we're going to do is we want to say what the author is. So we're going to get a variable, and I'm going to use a magic variable to use that same JSON. Just going to rename this JSON. And then next, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get a dictionary value. Then we get the author. In this example, it'll give us William Blackstone. So let's do author. And then let's speak text. So if everything goes how it should go, it should give me a quote and tell me the author.
Responsibility walks hand in hand with capacity and power. J.G. Holland.
Okay, so there you go. With this information, you should be able to use JSON files to their fullest extent. If you enjoyed this video or thought it was helpful, please subscribe for more content. Yeah. Whatever.